right, next prisoner is Stacy. What are you doing? There's no smiling in this picture. Fine. All right, the next is Ivy.
Okay.
Take my picture now, Mom.
Huh? Lily, what are you doing? This is for prisoners only.
Please, Mom, just a few.
All right, fine. Only one.
Yes!
Oh, I'm so hungry. The food here is terrible. Oh.
Hey, Ivy.
What, Lily? How'd you get into my cell?
I just used my mom's keys.
Oh,
Heard you were hungry. I brought all these snacks for us to share.
wow, thanks, Lily. This looks so good.
Let's eat.
Okay.
Lily, what do you think you're doing?
I was just sharing food with the prisoner.
You're not supposed to be in here. The door is locked for a reason.
Oh, well, that's why I used the keys.
You took my keys? That's it. Go sit in my office now.
Fine.
Hurry up.
Ooh.
All right, you guys have 20 minutes of outside time. Be on your best behavior.
All right. Hey, Warden.
Whoa, it's outside time. I want to go outside with them. Summer party!
Lily, what are you doing?
It's outside time. I wanted to have a summer party.
What?
Oh, Lily.
You got us so wet. That's it. Everyone back inside.
What? But we were only here.
No, back to yourself.
Thanks a lot, Lily.
I'm so bored. There's nothing to do.
Huh?
Lily? Hey, Stacy. Do you want to play some games?
Oh, yeah, sure.
All right, here. I'm coming in.
Okay. Ooh, come on, Lily. Lily, what are you doing in here?
Hey, Mom. I was just,
They're all her games. She brought them in. Lily, you can't be playing games with the prisoners.
But we were just...
No excuses. Stacy, you're coming with me.
Oh.
This is your cell tonight, Lily.
What?
Hurry up. Hey, it's cleaning time. Get to work.
Okay.
Hey, Ivy.
Lily, what are you doing in here?
I was just bored in my mom's office. I wanted to hang out with you.
You can't be in here. You're gonna get me in trouble.
It's fine. My mom doesn't even know I'm in here.
Oh, you should go.
Are you done cleaning yet? Lily, what are you doing in there?
Oh, I was just talking to Ivy. It's no big deal.
How many times do I have to tell you? You're not allowed in the cell.
Relax, Mom. Ivy's really cool.
All right, since you want to hang out with Ivy so much, you can help her clean.
What? Why do I have to clean?
Because I said so. Now get to work. You have 10 minutes. Today's the day I escape.
Huh? What's Stacy doing in there? Hey, Stacy, what are you doing?
Lily, leave me alone. I'm busy.
Ooh, that sounds fun. Can I help?
The only way you can help is if you can get me out of here.
Oh, I can do that. I have the keys.
You do? What are you waiting for? Let's go. Huh? Why is it closed?
Don't worry, I'll open it. Put them in here.
Oh, there they are. Way to go, Lily.
Oh, man.
Hey, Stacy, did you bring the stuff?
Of course I did.
Did you? Of course. Here.
Aha! I caught you guys.
Oh, she found us.
Give me that candy. You guys know you're not supposed to have snacks. Now get back in your cells.
Oh, darn.
Ooh, can I get like spaghetti and meatballs today?
Sorry, we only have bread today.
What? Bread? Oh man.
Hey, Fred.
Hey, Lily.
Could I get the special today?
Oh yeah, of course. Our special today is pizza.
Ooh, I love pizza. Thanks, Fred.
What? I thought there was only bread.
Psst. Gordon and Amy.
What do you want?
Do you want some of this?
You just have to let me out.
You can't bribe me.
Oh man, she didn't take it. Oh, there's Lily. Lily.
What is it, Stacy?
If you let me out, I'll give you all this money.
All that money? Deal!
Yes, thank you, Lily.
Lily, you open the door?
Yeah, look at all the money I got!
You can't just let the prisoners out. You're grounded when I get back. Get back here.
At least I have a lot of money!
All right, lights out. Go to sleep.
Oh, finally. Huh? What is that? Huh? Huh? Lily? What are you doing in my bed?
I'm scared of the dark! Don't leave me!
Okay, fine. I'll just sleep on the floor.
Yay! Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that bell button.